Welcome to MIT. Our main focus is servicing the mining and mineral industry through offering a broad spectrum of products and solutions under one roof. Our core business is the manufacture and supply of laboratory, sampling, metallurgical and sample preparation equipment. One of our main aims is to become a leading provider of time and effort reduction products. These projects are designed to help laboratories save time and money and to reduce the physical handling of samples, therefore reducing the amount of errors and variances in results. These products are often custom designed to suit each client's individual needs and requirements and usually involve the linking of two or more phases of sample preparation into one process, for example crushing and splitting or splitting and weight. Our intention at MIT is to look at problems facing the industry and create innovative and never seen before solutions to these problems. Please look at our website for examples of such products. Our Industrial Sieve Shaker is an example of a problem facing the industry which has now been solved. The problem being how to analyze fraction sizes on a very large sample volume. Our solution is a large capacity sieve shaker designed to accommodate a sample size of 125 kilograms with fractions ranging from 75 millimeters down to 1.7 millimeters. The shaker uses an enclosed tube conveyor feed for safety purposes, a ribbed belt to assist in conveying particles to the top of the shaker, a purpose-designed feed hopper to prevent operators feeding the shaker too quickly, Dynamic Sieve Technology, which has a patent pending. This alters the throw on perforated plate sieves to allow adequate shaking of the larger particles while preventing smaller particles from being excessively disturbed. A pneumatic clamping device which locks sieves into each other to reduce dust pollution. A mechanically powered vibrating unit which is far easier to maintain than traditional magnetic units. The shaker has 9 sieves plus receiver. An easy-to-use bracket to facilitate the removal of potentially heavy sieves. Up next is a video demonstration of the operation of the sieve shaker while putting through 100 kilograms of manganese ore. We'll take you through the entire setup process as well as safety checks before operation. Ensure all sieves are correctly positioned to the back of the sieve shaker. Make sure the receiver is correctly positioned and the receiver door is closed. Close the inspection door. This will deactivate a micro switch to prevent the machine from being switched on while the door is open. Open the pneumatic switch. This will clamp the sieves in their operational position. Double check that the door is closed and that the sieves are correctly clamped. We are now going to operate the sieve shaker. In the following steps, firstly, switch on the isolator switch. Secondly, set your desired time. Thirdly, switch on the conveyor belt. And fourthly, switch on the sieve shaker. You may now feed the conveyor slowly at a rate of roughly 20 kilograms per minute. Be careful not to overfeed it. Allow 20 to 30 minutes of operation to ensure the correct separation of particle sizes. Perform a visual inspection every 5 minutes. Once shaking has completed, the machine will automatically shut down via the timer. Release the pneumatic switch to depress the sieves. Open the inspection door. Attach the removal bracket in place for the first sieve you choose to remove. Repeat this process for all 9 sieves. You may need an assistant for this. Remove the receiver pan, open the door, remove the bottom sieve, replace the pan and brush any excess waste into the receiver pan. You may now, once you have cleaned the sieves and the shaker, replace them back in position, ready for the next sample. Here you can see the final product after being removed from each sieve, now ready for further sample preparation. Thank you for your interest in our company and our Industrial Sieve Shaker. If you have any queries, please contact us. Please look out for future innovative products from MIT. Thank you.